Okay, let's begin. Number 8, O positive, the natural survivors. If you have O positive blood, you're part of the world's largest blood group, nearly 40% of the population, yet your biology carries some of the most powerful survival traits in human evolution. Research shows that O-type individuals have stronger immune defenses against deadly infections like malaria and dengue. That resistance traces back tens of thousands of years. Your ancestors' O-type blood helped them survive epidemics that wiped out entire populations. Here's where it gets fascinating. O-positive blood naturally has lower levels of clotting proteins, which reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Studies from Harvard and Tokyo University have shown that O-type carriers are less prone to blood clots and cardiovascular disease. This also means your blood flows more efficiently, improving oxygen delivery during physical activity. It's no coincidence that elite athletes and endurance performers are statistically more likely to have O blood. It's biology built for stamina. And there's one more hidden edge. People with O positive tend to produce higher stomach acid, giving them an advantage in digesting protein-rich diets. This trait, inherited from ancient hunter-gatherers, supports faster metabolism and nutrient absorption. But it comes with a catch. That same efficiency can make O-positive individuals more sensitive to stress hormones, especially cortisol. Still, your blood remains one of the most vital in medicine, a universal lifeline that continues to save millions every year. Number 7, A-positive, the Calm Strategists. If you have A-positive blood, you're part of a group that makes up roughly 34% of the global population. But what sets you apart isn't just numbers, it's biological precision. Scientists believe A blood evolved when humans transitioned from hunters to early farmers, favoring those who thrived on plant-based diets and stable, cooperative communities. That ancient shift shaped your chemistry. A-positive individuals tend to have lower stomach acid, which protects the gut from ulcers and inflammation, and a more refined immune system that targets bacterial threats efficiently. What's truly fascinating is how your blood type interacts with stress. Research from the University of Vienna found that A-type carriers maintain more controlled cortisol levels, meaning you're biologically calmer under pressure. It's not just personality, it's your blood's antigen structure actually influences how your body handles adrenaline. This gives many A-positive individuals a natural edge in focus, organization, and long-term planning, traits rooted in their body's chemistry. And beyond that, A-positive blood has strong compatibility for platelet and plasma donation, making it vital in medical emergencies. You're part of a lineage designed for stability, endurance, and balance, evolved to protect and sustain. In a world built on chaos, your blood type represents nature's quiet blueprint for survival through calm control. Number 6, B-positive, the Adaptable Survivors. If you have B-positive blood, you're part of an ancient lineage built for endurance and change, carried by only about 8 to 10% of the global population. Scientists trace its roots to Central Asian nomads, whose survival depended on adaptability in extreme climates and unpredictable diets. That history still shows in your biology. B-positive blood is wired for resilience, helping your body adjust quickly to environmental and dietary shifts. Studies published in Nature Genetics reveal that B-type red blood cells possess unique antigens that can block certain bacterial toxins and viral entry points. In outbreaks of cholera and E. coli, B-type carriers showed lower infection severity, suggesting your immune system evolved for constant exposure to new pathogens. This gives B-positive individuals a subtle edge, a biological resistance inherited from generations who thrived while others fell ill. And here's the real surprise. Your metabolism is one of the most balanced and flexible of all blood groups. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that B-type individuals maintain more stable blood sugar and lipid levels across diverse diets than O or A groups. That means whether you're eating meat-heavy or plant-based, your body adjusts efficiently. Combine that with your Rh-positive compatibility, making you a vital donor for B and AB recipients. And you've got blood built not just to survive, but to sustain others too. Number 5. AB-positive, the rare hybrid of humanity. If you have AB-positive blood, you belong to a rare group, only about 3 to 4% of the world's population. This type is known as the Universal Plasma recipient, meaning your body can safely accept plasma from any blood group. That ability comes from your unique genetic blend, a fusion of A and B antigens, making AB-positive the most biologically adaptable and complex blood type ever discovered. What's fascinating is how this combination affects your body and mind. A 2014 American Academy of Neurology study found that AB individuals were less likely to experience cognitive decline as they age. Scientists link this to better blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. Your blood chemistry may literally help preserve memory and focus. And because AB positive carries both A and B immune markers, it offers broader protection against bacterial and viral infections than most other types. But that power comes with sensitivity. AB positive individuals tend to have higher inflammation responses, which means your system reacts strongly to stress or processed foods. Still, your plasma remains one of the most valuable for transfusions, used in life-saving emergency medicine because it's compatible with everyone. So while AB positive may be rare, its benefits reach far beyond genetics. It's a quiet reminder that the rarest blood often carries the greatest potential. Number 4, O negative, the Universal Lifesavers. If you have O negative blood, you're part of a rare group. Only about 6 to 7% of people worldwide, yet your blood type holds unmatched medical value. O negative is called the universal donor because it can be safely given to anyone, regardless of their blood type. In trauma units and emergency rooms, when there's no time for typing, doctors reach for O negative first. It's the blood that can save a life in seconds. The science behind that power lies in its simplicity. O negative blood lacks both A and B antigens and the Rh factor, which means the immune system of any patient won't reject it. This antigen-free design also hints at an ancient evolutionary trait. Research in Nature Review's Genetics suggests O negative type blood may have offered early humans resistance to severe infections, helping them survive epidemics that targeted other blood groups. There's another hidden benefit. O negative carriers have been found to have lower risks of blood clots and heart disease, thanks to naturally reduced levels of clot-promoting proteins. Their circulation is efficient, and their red blood cells are among the most in demand in medicine. But because O negative individuals can only receive their own type, they're both the rarest givers and the hardest to match. It's a blood type defined by scarcity, endurance, and an unmatched ability to save others. Number 3, A negative, the balanced protectors. If you have A negative blood, you belong to a rare group, just about 6% of the global population. But this rarity carries strength. A negative blood is compatible with multiple types for plasma and platelets, making it vital in emergency medicine. Your blood also has a unique antigen profile that gives your immune system a sharper response to certain bacterial infections, especially respiratory and gut-related illnesses. Scientists believe the A group's evolutionary roots trace back to early agricultural communities, populations that developed strong immune control to survive dense, disease-prone environments. Research has also found intriguing differences in how A negative individuals handle stress and cardiovascular health. Studies from Harvard Medical School and the European Heart Journal indicate that A negative type blood tends to promote more stable cholesterol and glucose regulation, but with a slightly higher sensitivity to inflammation. In other words, A negative carriers often maintain steady internal balance, but their systems react strongly to chronic stress or unhealthy habits, a biological reminder of their finely tuned metabolism. The negative factor, meaning the absence of the Rh antigen, makes A negative especially valuable for patients who share this rare trait. In transfusion medicine, A negative blood can be given to A negative and AB negative recipients, which makes every donation critical. It's a blood type defined by precision and protection, evolved to endure, adapted to stability, and essential for saving lives in the world's most delicate medical situations. Number 2, B negative, the Rare Adaptors. If you have B negative blood, you're part of an exceptionally rare group, only about 1.5% of the global population. That scarcity alone makes your blood precious, but it's your biology that makes it remarkable. B negative blood can be transfused to all B and AB negative recipients, making it highly valuable in emergency medicine. Its origin traces back to nomadic populations of Central Asia, where the B gene evolved as an adaptation to extreme climates and changing diets, a legacy that still shows in your body's ability to maintain metabolic balance under varied conditions. Scientific studies have found that B-negative type individuals often display stronger immune defenses against certain bacterial infections, particularly those affecting the gut and urinary tract. Research in Nature Genetics links this to the B antigen's unique structure, which helps block the attachment of some harmful bacteria to red blood cells. This trait may have provided ancient travelers with added protection as they migrated through new environments filled with unfamiliar pathogens. And there's a surprising twist. People with B-negative blood tend to show efficient energy use and balanced glucose metabolism, according to comparative studies in the Journal of Nutritional Science. While evidence is still evolving, this metabolic flexibility could explain why B-negative type individuals historically thrived on mixed diets. Combined with its rarity and versatility in transfusion, B-negative blood is a quiet powerhouse, built for adaptability, resilience, and survival in the harshest conditions. Number 1. AB negative. The rarest of all. If you have AB negative blood, you carry the rarest blood type on Earth, less than 1% of the global population. That rarity makes your blood incredibly valuable in transfusion medicine. AB negative individuals can receive red cells from any Rh negative donor, giving them broad compatibility in emergencies. This versatility reflects a genetic fusion of A and B antigens combined with the absence of the Rh factor, a combination that's biologically rare and medically powerful. What sets AB negative blood apart is its unique immune profile. Having both A and B antigens means your body can recognize a wider range of pathogens, offering broader immune flexibility than most other blood types. Studies published in Transfusion Medicine Reviews suggest that AB individuals may experience more balanced antibody activity, meaning their immune systems can mount strong defenses without overreacting, a subtle but vital advantage in maintaining long-term health. And while research is still developing, scientists have noted interesting patterns linking AB blood with efficient oxygen delivery and blood flow regulation, traits thought to support endurance and cognitive function. In medical practice, AB negative blood is often prioritized for plasma donations as it's compatible with all Rh negative patients, a rare ability that saves lives daily. With its balance of immunity, precision, and scarcity, AB negative represents nature's most uncommon yet complete blueprint, a quiet symbol of rarity built for resilience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.